Hi, I'm Martina, also known as Angelica, and today I'll be designing a desktop wallpaper with custom icons. To be honest, I don't even know why I'm making this video because I literally redesigned my wallpaper like a month ago, but if you learn something from it, then I guess it's okay. I guess, I don't know. So my aim with this is to kind of create a consistent vibe between, I feel really low. Better, there we go. Anyways, my aim with this is to create a consistent vibe between my start screen, my home screen, as well as my icons. My desktop at the moment is cool, if I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. It's like one of my favorite drawings I've ever done because it was a turning point in my illustration style, but that's besides the point. I just want something new, especially because I've learned a lot of new techniques since then. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back with my blue light glasses. I've got my drawing glove on. I'm ready to go. The glare that blue light glasses give on a camera really irritates me, but anyways, let's get into it. So here are the sketches. I'm going to start drawing just because I want to get into it. Ciao, it's voiceover Martina here, coming to let you know that I don't know how to draw and talk at the same time. I was talking for a good 45 minutes and not a single thing was done. My brain just cannot comprehend those two tasks at the same time. So enjoy what you've got right now. Bye. Do you guys ever just color in stuff with shapes? Like you'll draw an outline of a star and color that in instead of coloring in the thing that's actually being drawn. I don't know if that makes sense, but you'll see me do it a couple of times through the video. Anyways, if you haven't noticed yet, the theme I went for is centered around women, just because I think we're amazing, and that's all I've got to say, to be honest. I wanted to draw a pregnant woman just because I think it's amazing how much our bodies change during that time period. Also, I wanted to try something new because I don't really draw bodies, and I feel like this is a nice way to kind of ease myself into it, but we'll see how that goes. As mentioned before, I want to try something new with these desktops, so my line art is usually done with the technical pen on Procreate because I love a bold, crisp line, but I've been really liking the roughness of using a pencil. So ooh, that was loud in my ear. I don't know if y'all heard that. But I really love using the roughness. What am I saying? I like the roughness of using a pencil, so I wanted to try that out and see how that would look. Spoiler alert, it turned out amazing. The color scheme I went for is similar to my last desktop, so I'm giving Hubba Bubba, I'm giving Juicy Fruit, you know what I mean? Very much bubblegum type of vibes because one, I really like those colors, and two, you can't actually see this, but it matches the color of my laptop perfectly, which is a dark blue. So there you go, I guess. I don't know. Also, can we just appreciate the stretch marks? Let's take a minute. I love how stretch marks look, and that purple on that pink. Before you guys come for me, yes, I know I move my canvas around a lot, so I don't want to hear it from you guys. I really don't. I just like to get in touch with my art, you know? What can I say? No, but honestly, I can't draw a piece without turning it upside down at least once. I don't know why, but that's me, I guess. Don't worry though, because I'll show you it stationary so you don't get motion sickness, because that's really not my portion in life. That's your own problem right there. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I gave my sis the same tattoo as me, my little Miss Sunshine, my trademark quick self promo real quick. You can get yourself a Little Miss Sunshine sticker on my website and my Etsy, so we can be all matchy and cute together. You know, maybe sis is me, not now, lol, but way in the future, because I'm really trying to finish this degree in some sort of peace, please. I don't... I'm not really going to delve in too deep into how I finished off the two pieces, just because I want this to be quite chill, and quite frankly I do not have the capacity to sit here and explain, because do I even know what I'm doing myself sometimes? I mean, you can kind of see what I'm doing, so you can just slow it down if that helps a little bit. But if you want a more in-depth viewing of the techniques and effects I like to use while I'm drawing, then feel free to let me know. Guys, when I tell you, a whole chunk of this video is missing because my iPad decided to be rude and have no storage. So all you have for the next drawing is a quick ass time lapse. So sorry. I mean, she still looks cute, but this isn't what I wanted to give, okay? It's not giving what it's supposed to give. I'm really irritated about it, but what can we do? So I've drawn out my different icons for my folders on a transparent background, by the way. I've stuck to 14, nice and concise, plus I actually want to see my background because I spent the time drawing it. So the new ones are pretty much the same as my old icons. I just wanted a different texture. Once you've drawn out what you want for your folders, you need to convert them from PNGs or JPEGs into an ICO in order to create a usable icon. The website I used to do this will be linked below. It's pretty straightforward and it takes a bit of time if you have a lot to convert, but once you do that, you can finally put everything together. She real cute or whatever. Yes. Guys, there's really a lot of chaos in this video. I've recorded this at very many different times and it's taken me about 3 months to put this together. So the next clip you're going to see was from a month ago. I apologize for how shoddy. Actually, no, I don't. Sorry, not sorry for how shoddy this video is. I'm just ready for it to be over and off my laptop because it's taken me way too long and I really don't know why. Actually, I do know why, but mind your business. So, anyways, bye. Hello. Yes, I'm sitting next to a giant teddy bear, courtesy of my boyfriend. So thank you. Yes, I have a different hairstyle, and yes, I'm recording this 2 months later. Don't focus on that. That's besides the point. I noticed I didn't actually record an outro for this video. I don't actually know why, but I'm here, okay, to say goodbye. If you enjoyed the video, if you like what you saw, please let me know. Yeah, hopefully you found it useful, helpful, whatever. But for now, it's goodbye. I just realized I haven't picked out the colors that I want to use. Yes, my glasses are off because I'm stressed and it's hot and I'm sweating. I'm sweating a lot right now. Right now, I have no clue what I'm doing, where it's going, how to fix it. It's not even that deep. I need to recuperate. Let me get it together. Hold on a second.